Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, nandito tayo sa Sedano Valley. Okay, so napagtripan na naman namin mag-hotel kasama ng aking mga tropa kids. So, I'll give you a room tour, quick room tour. Kaka-check-in lang, medyo hagardo pa. Iba talaga nagko-commute lang, okay? Nilakad namin, medyo papasok dito kasi sa Sedano Valley. So, naglakad kami. Okay, hanggang doon lang kasi yung tricycle sa may Calzada Highway. Okay, so let's start. Nandito na ako sa bathroom. Okay, I'll give you a tour with the bathroom. They have glasses here, tissue, and they have soap. Ito yung sink. Toiletries nila. Subi the shampoo, body wash, body lotion, dental kit. Then we have the mirror, the phone, tissue. Okay. Then the toilet. Maybe they, of course. And a shower, telephone shower. Okay. So, magre-request pa ako dito na ang extra toiletries kasi tatlo kami. And we have a full-length mirror here na nasa pintuan ng shower room. Ayan. Okay. Then, this is the door. Ayan. Okay. Then, sa cabinet nila, yan, may safety vault naman. Then, of course, mga wala naman laman yan. Then, I don't know kung wala talagang robe. Chinek ko na kanina. Wala silang robe eh. Pero nireport ko na to. Mamaya i-charge pa kami dun sa robe, no? But they do provide sleeper. Okay, housekeeping is here. Wait lang. Okay, let's continue. So, binigyan lang kami ng extra dahil tatlo kami rito. Nag-request ako. Okay, so sabi nila, wala daw talagang bathrobe here. You have to request. Okay? So, yan yung sleeper as usual. Laundry bag, and then touch ka ng laundry bag. Uy, maganda, as in bag talaga. Hindi siya plastic, it's bag. Then, yung rates ng mga laundry. Then, we have a mini bar here. Yan. Kit patay mo yung TV. Oh, inutusan si Direk. Ayan. Basa yan, as usual. Coffee, tea, eclaverva. Ayan, humingi lang kami na extra. Dahil tatlo kami here. Then, yung water nila, ayan, oh. You have to request lang. So, wala silang refillan dun sa paligid. Yan lang siya. So, ayan, binigyan kami ng robe. Isa. Isa lang, isa lang. Okay lang. Then, yung extra towel. Yung slipper. Then, dyan yung lagay ng gamit. Then, dito, may drawer again. Nothing much. Switches, lamp. Then, we have king-size bed. This is a deluxe room nga pala. Yan. Then, ayan yung dalawa. Then, yung TV nila, hindi siya Netflix. Ay, hindi siya Netflix. Hindi siya smart TV. Normal na TV. Yan. Typical. Yan lang. Yan. Tapos, meron silang, may tawag dito. Itong tambayan sa bintana. Yan. Mamaya, hanapin ko yung tawag dyan. Then, ito yung view namin. It's the pool. O, diba? Kanina umaambon. Ngayon, hindi na. Yan. At least, we have the view of the pool and a little bit of the lake. Yan. Okay. So, that's it. Yun lang naman. Mamaya may extra bed dito. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo. Okay. Ayan yung dalawa. Okay. Laters! Okay guys, ito na yung extra bed. For single person lang siya. Yan. May extra yan. One pillow. Okay. Ang ganda ng pool view sa gabi. Baba muna kami, check lang namin ang pool. Okay guys, so yun yung dalawa nagpe-picture. So here's the pool. Meron silang bar. There. Then dalawa yung pool nila. Meron, ito yung malaki. And then dun. Maya, punta tayo doon. Sa kabila. And they have 2 kiddie pools. Isa dyan. Then isa doon. Isa dito. Dyan. Then isa doon. Tapos yung malaking pool nandun sa isa. Punta natin mamaya. Ito isang pool nila guys. Malaki rin pala dito. Kaya kasi maraming kids dito kanina. There. Ito yung area na may playroom. There. There. Game room. Lasinggero yun. In fairness, ang mura niya, we only spent 800 plus for our order.
Mabigla naman eh. Pagka ads natin sa elevator,
After breakfast, we went to the pool para mag-picture-picture ulit. It's time for checkout. Okay, yun lang. Bye-bye.